Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We have to concentrate on our inland tourism also, and this is one of the plans of our minister who said, please let's get this done so people, tourists who come here will enjoy the inland of our village.
आता बांद बांधले उपरांत त्याचे वयर यूज करपा खातीर लोकांक बरी पाथवे जावची. लॅटरायट स्टोनान धोड तेजे बांदला पळय तेजे वयर लॅटरायट स्टोन बांदचो थिंगा फिशिंग गॅलरी एट 4 लोकेशन्स, म्हणजे थिंगा रावन लोकांनी फिशिंग करप अशें केल्लें आहा. तेचे भायर 730 meters of masonry laterite stone wall, म्हणजे पत्रादेवी स्टोनाची wall right from there to there, it will look very very nice. थिंगासर lights are beautification are illumination with ornamental light poles including cable and control panels, सगळे बाकीचे paver blocks, interlocking paver blocks, sluice gate, RCC slab over sluice gate, landscaping.